My name is Emma and I've had diabetes since I was 8 years old. Testing my sugar levels throughout the day used to make me feel annoyed. The doctors and nurses suggested to try the FreeStyle Libre system, and my mum said it was the best thing for me to do and use. I was excited and happy to try it, and the diabetes nurses showed me how to put it on and how to use it. There are 3 quick steps to put on a FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor. 1. Wash, clean and dry a place on the back of your arm. 2. Get the applicator ready by peeling back the lid, unscrewing the cap. Next, line up the marks on the sensor applicator, press down firmly and then lift. The sensor should come out of the plastic cover. 3. Put the sensor on the back of your arm by firmly pressing. Listen for the click. Wait for a few seconds and pull back slowly, leaving the sensor on your skin. It takes 30 seconds to put it on and it doesn't hurt. It's tiny and doesn't get in the way. It doesn't stop you having a shower or wearing certain clothes, like party clothes. The FreeStyle Libre Link app helps you to see your sugar levels using a phone. You need to download the FreeStyle Libre Link app onto your smartphone. A smartphone is a phone that connects to the internet. If you have an iPhone, you can download the FreeStyle Libre Link app by going to the App Store and searching for FreeStyle Libre Link. If you have any other type of smartphone, you can download the app by going to Google Play Store and searching for FreeStyle Libre Link. Scanning is when you open the FreeStyle Libre Link app on your phone. You will need to have the sound on your phone switched on to hear the tones. You will need to have Bluetooth, notifications, sounds, vibrations and alarms turned on to use the alarm. It's easy and fast to use. You just scan it using your phone instead of having to get all the blood sugar testing kit. I like to be active, being with my family and friends and playing with my cat. FreeStyle Libre gives me the freedom to enjoy drama at college, and I love to go shopping in town. Black Veil Brides are my favourite band, and I love to listen to them. I can scan myself, but need help to understand the sugar numbers and what to do if my sugar levels are too high or too low. FreeStyle Libre Link makes it easy for my mum or dad to help check my sugar levels, or my LSA, or the nurse at college. You should speak to your doctor or nurse about trying FreeStyle Libre. It helps you quite a lot, especially when going out. It won't stop you doing what you really want to do and doesn't slow you down. People may ask what it is, but I just tell them.